The fun doesn't end after reading the text. Phonic Books' photocopiable activity books have lots of games and activities to build fluency and provide multiple exposures to that phonics feature. We know that beginning readers need extra support in reading and writing of a phonics feature so that they can internalize it and transfer it to authentic reading. Let's look at the after reading activities for Dandelion World VCE spellings. The activities in the book help students develop the skills underlying reading and spelling. The activity book provides so many options and games, all geared towards helping students blend sounds together to make a word or segment a word into its parts for accurate spelling. Here we have the post-reading activities for Bake a Cake. The activity book has timed reading practice to build fluency. The first activity focuses on word building. Students apply the A long E marker and write the target words to support their segmentation and spelling skills. Next, they get practice in an encoding through a dictated sentence. Children see a picture and hear the name of the picture. They then write the word for each picture by putting one letter in each square. This lets students practice the newly acquired long A pattern in new words. There are even reading cards for games. This game is for 2 or more students. Cut out the words and jumble them up. Place them face down. Players take turns picking up 2 cards. If they pick up a card with a word that matches the picture, they keep the pair of cards. Next, students read sentences that contain carefully selected words. They then look at the pictures and ask themselves, is the sentence true? They cross out the incorrect sentence. The activity book even includes timed repeated readings for students to improve reading speeds. Their aim is to read the words as fast as possible while still being accurate. They compete against themselves, trying to beat their time. This is an engaging activity to build fluency rates. They might even tackle 2-syllable words that still follow the linguistic feature, a great way to build confidence for readers. There are options for retelling the text as a way to build their comprehension. Here, students cut out pictures to retell the text or even generate their own story. These word cards reinforce vocabulary, an essential component of comprehension. Once students have mastered the target phonics skills and are reading with fluency, transition them to more complex texts that introduce vocabulary and concepts.